for 1 minute.
Without objection, the gentlelady from California is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As one of two congressional representatives to the United Nations, I rise to recognize and talk about the continued human suffering in Syria. According to the United Nations, there are over 2 million registered refugees from Syria, including 1.4 million children. Last September, the United Nations Security Council urged Syria to take immediate steps to grant organizations full access to conduct relief operations. Yet today there are reports that the government continues to block aid to victims desperately in need of relief, causing needless hunger and suffering among Syria's civilian population. These actions are not just an offense against our conscience, they are also offenses against international law and United Nations obligations. As world leaders gather next week in pursuit of a political solution, we must hold all parties to the Syrian conflict accountable and find a negotiated settlement to ending this crisis once and for all through the hard work of diplomacy. I am proud that the United States is the leading donor of humanitarian aid, and I am pleased that the omnibus bill we passed yesterday included increased funding to support our ongoing humanitarian response.
Gentlelady's time has expired.